everyone to the table.
Watch out, don't disrupt him.
Bob, do you have something else to do other than watch the vacuum?
Eat pancakes.
Why is he in the kitchen at the same time I am? Why is it every time I'm in the kitchen, everybody has to be in the kitchen, including the vacuum?
Because he's cleaning up after you. Look at the mess you made.
Oh, I'm sure I'm not the one who made that mess. I'm sure people that steal the food in the middle of the night, people who just toss their cake onto the floor when they don't grab a dish.
He seems to work right under your feet a lot. Must be a reason for that.
Yeah, because I'm cleaning up everybody's mess. The vacuum and I have a big job taking care of everything. Danny, set the table.
You bet your butt, Alan.
Wait, Lindsay, talk. You have to talk to Lindsay.
Lindsay.
How the fuck out? You guys are lucky to have each other.
I know.
Grab the orange juice and the milk. And fork. Keep your hands out of the strawberries. Oh yeah, I'm familiar with that.
You can't put your